Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Another bedroom set we have here. This time it's Leo's room. 203 pieces in this one. You can pick this up for $22 in a lot of places. I bought mine from Kmart once again. I love the look of this, the colours, and I love that selfie ring, and this cat stand looks so cool with little Churro the cat. Let's rip that open and see what we get. Instructions, and let's take a look at this map because I love looking at the map. Where do they live? Quite far apart there. 8x16 plate there. Stickers, love that bedspread there with the fish. We get photos and a grumpy Churro cat, and these bags come in the set. Love it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty, let's build. Leo, loving his shoes and shorts, and that top, it's like a chef's top, but it's got like icings and sprinkles on the back there on the shirt. I really love that. Great detail. Grumpy Churro the cat, he never looks impressed, and look at him not smiling there. And Olly, I love the style of Olly. So he's got some different shoes than the one that I have previously, and there's like a faint design there on his shirt, so it's a little bit hard to see. Cool hair, love Olly. Time to begin the build with this. So this is Churro's little cat stand, and you get to move this little fish around. So it's his little toy. He's not looking impressed at all with his stand, but my cat wants to try it out and he's loving it, and Churro's like, ugh, amateurs. Here's the start of Leo's bedroom. I don't know why there's spiky bits at the front there, but I love this bedspread with the fish there. And he's got a set of bunk beds. That must be Olly's bed when he comes to visit. And then here we're going to have a set of sliding doors, which I really like. So this must be part of an apartment because it's going to be part of the balcony. Love this little cup with the tea, and he's going to, I don't know why he's got his helmet on the balcony, it's a bit weird. He has a little table, a stand here, and he's got like a little lamp and a picture of him and Olly there. I love this rug, so it's like a soccer ball rug. And oh my gosh, the watermelon is smiling at us on his surfboard. That's Churro's little food. And now we're building the little kitchen. Gonna pop some flippers here in the little holder there if I get them in properly, and this yummy looking chocolate cake with a big thing of whipped cream and more strawberry goodness, and some little, I guess, cushions there. There's a recipe book which I really like, and now this, the little selfie stand ring thing, and we're gonna take some videos of me. Leo's room must be very large to have a soccer net in his bedroom. We've got some little water bottles there, and he's going to try and score a goal. And no, he got red carded because he was offside and not playing with a soccer ball. Time to pop everything into his room. That selfie ring stand, Churro's cat stand there, clicks on the side. There's the goal. We've got to pop Olly in. And Leo, and his orange soccer ball, which looks like a basketball. Olly's filming Leo cooking for his channel. Leo doesn't know if he wants to go scuba diving or surfing, and Churro's still not impressed. Olly's playing goalkeeper, and Churro is staring at his fish. The Lego Friends Leo's bedroom set. Love this set. I love the colours. Love what's inside. There's not too many things going on inside, but it's still cool. And you could also add this to your main street apartment buildings, because I'm guessing that's supposed to be an apartment building with that balcony there. I'm loving this. I am going to rebuild it for my city, so stay tuned. So everyone, get your bricks out.